Hey there, in this quick video, I will demystify suspense accounts. Let's imagine I start a business and I record 2 transactions on day 1. First thing I do, I introduce cash into the business. So I debit cash, $100, and I credit capital, $100. Next thing I do is purchase a delivery van. I know what you're thinking, these numbers are crazy. These are just illustrative numbers. Suspend your disbelief, please work with me here. So I pay $60 for that van. Look at what I do. I have paper-based record keeping, so I debit my van account $60 and I credit the cash account, wait for it, $50. I made an error and the debits do not equal the credits in this error. This is where suspense accounts come into play. At the end of the day, let me close this cash T account. I see that the debits exceed the credits, so I have a $50 closing balance debit. Yes, I show that on the credit side, but it is actually a closing debit balance. Now I will prepare a trial balance. This is the accounting convention where I summarize my closing balances in one table to ensure that the debits equal the credits. So we have a cash account, a van account, a capital account. We've got the 50 debit balance in cash, the 60 debit balance in the van account, and the $100 in capital. I add these up and I see that the debit column exceeds the credit column by $10. Debits do not equal the credits. So I open a suspense account. And the suspense account plugs the gap. I find the lower of the 2 columns, so I will credit the suspense account $10 to bring it in line with the debit column. So now we have a 110, and I can continue working, and I can now look for the cause of the error. I open the suspense account with that $10 credit. Now, I searched for the error and I found the error. The error was related to the purchase of the van. When I purchased that van, I should have debited van $60, credited cash $60. But no, I accidentally credited cash $50. So I found the error. To correct the error, I now need to credit my cash account $10. That will reduce that closing balance now to $40, and every credit needs a corresponding debit. So now I can debit suspense account. That came from cash. And I've found the error. I corrected the error. Now I close my suspense account. And there you have it, suspense accounts demystified.